Each water service provider shall have a board of directors where the members of the board shall be constituted in accordance with the Companies Act and the regulatory standards issued by. It further states that shall ensure that its transparent and competitive stakeholder participation procedure and all-time minimum standards stipulated under Regulation 10.2 of the Water Service Regulation 21. It continues that each water service provider shall have directors, 5 and 9 directors, where 2 of the directors shall be representatives of the mix from the profession stipulated under the corporate governance guidelines for the water sector 2018, while ensuring that not more than 2/3 of them are the same gender. It states that by the dint of Regulation 10.3 of Water Service Regulations 2021, the term of members of the board shall be 3 years renewable, once subject to satisfactory performance upon board. Chair, that is just a brief summary on the appointment of board of directors. However, it further states that with respect to county government oversight role, it states that counties shall exercise an oversight role on the water service providers through county representatives on the board of directors. That's the CC Water, CC Finance, and chief officers. Staff are appointed after a competitive recruitment as per employment laws, and that managing directors of water service of the Water Service Regulations 2021. And with respect, in conclusion, with respect to the way forward, the circular states that WASREB reiterates that it is crucial for all water service providers to comply with the regulatory framework in a bid to improve the governance and management of water utilities, with the ultimate goal by the year 2030. And in this regard, the regulatory board hereby directs that all water service providers shall comply with the above stated regulatory provisions and standards within 90 days from the date of this letter, failure to which necessary enforcement measures will be activated. Therefore, Chair, in winding up, I'd just like to say that subject to the date of the circular and subject to the due that is 90 days from that date, the 90 days would lapse as of 6th of July 2023. Thank you, Chair.
Which is actually, is it a week, next week?
Yes, Chair, it's next week.
Yeah, honorable members, any comment?
Okay, Chair. I have an issue also with the WASREB guidelines.